They wanna know about Islam, we'll give them dawah. They wanna know what a Muslim does, we'll give them dawah. When they wanna hate on our deen, we'll give them dawah. Who's the one and only? Nobody but Allah.
I say,
from Allah we came, to Him we return. Never forget that day. We saw a grand fair pound. We know who's to blame, and they'll get their turn. From Allah's our Lord, we'll see justice served. We know who's to blame, and they'll get their turn. From Allah's our Lord, we'll see justice served. From Allah we came, to Him we return. Never forget that day. We saw Grenfell burn.
Where's the justice for Grenfell? It's crazy how the ends fell. People died up in that building cause they're poor. The leaders have forgotten that prevention is a cure. When the fire is the government that bloody killed her. Coming like it's architecture from Bob the Builder. A little girl was burning, there's no one to bloody save her. So why these watch politicians screaming all in favor? There's no way they're climbing, not enough time and families dividing. The little boy was hiding cause safety they stopped providing. They're just deceivers, ain't no leaders, all a bunch of frauds. Common consequences when it's time to face the law. Cemetery packed because of Grenfell's tragedy. They're Washington's like Denzel's family. I ain't believing no new regime, cause in the end the poor still end up SAD, you see. But I ain't even gonna preach, I'ma speak from the heart. I pray they really see light, cause they've been in the dark. She was little pretty face, always played in the park. She felt the smoke in her lungs, then she stopped breathing.